Today we are learning about family and the homes that we share with our families. To start, we are going to read a rhyme about an old woman who lived in a shoe. The rhyme goes like this. There was an old woman. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. Do you guys hear that shoe and do rhyme? Let's see if the next two ending words rhyme. So she gave them some broth without any bread, and she kissed them all softly and put them to bed. Bread, bed. Those sound the same at the end too. This is called a nursery rhyme. This is about a family that has a little old woman and a whole bunch of children. Let's count how many kids she has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She has 7 children and only one little old woman. She had a lot of work to do all by herself. But this story is pretend. We know that it's pretend because she lives in a shoe. Can we really live in a shoe? Nope, we can't. So this week, what I would like you to do is draw a picture of your house with your family in it. To draw a picture of your house, you're going to need to use shapes. So we are going to read this story called Can You See the Shapes? The illustrator who drew the pictures is Amy Noble. Cindy's circle goes around and round, from high in the sky to the ground. She's the shape of a Ferris wheel or a beach ball for the seal. Circle is like this. Trixie triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 straight sides. See her there on the red boat's sail and on the edge of the dragon's tail. Susie square has 1 more side. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's verified. Her 4 sides are all the same. She makes a lovely picture frame. Meet Rudy Rectangle. You can't go wrong. His sides 2 are short and 2 are long. He's the shape of a table and a door, a book, a window, and even more. We need a lot of those shapes to draw a house. We need a rectangle for a door, a square for our house, and a triangle for our roof. Oscar the octagon has 8 sides. You see him when you go for rides. At the intersection, look both ways. Oscar says stop, and everyone obeys. An octagon is the shape of a stop sign. Renee Rhombus stands on one end. She's another 4-sided friend. A glittering diamond on a ring, or a kite flying high at the end of a string. Lloyd the trapezoid joins the group. You can see him on a chicken coop. On rooftops and lampshades and wheelbarrows too. Count his 4 sides. That's what you should do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Olive oval is a curve, long and thin. She's the mouth of the new trash bin. The colorful rug on the kitchen floor and the oval window in the door. An oval is like a squished circle. 8 Frog Street shapes. Can you spot them today? You will see them outside when you go and play. What shape do you see on the slide and the swing? I see triangles. Look at the climbing dome and hanging ring. I see some rectangles, some triangles, some circles. Check out the workman building over there. Do you see a triangle, rectangle, a square? Can you spot an octagon or circle in the air? Oh, I see our stop signs. Stop signs are octagons. And I see a circle sign. Frog Street shapes are everywhere. The end. Great. Now that we know how to draw all these different shapes, we are going to draw a picture of the house that we live in, and then we're going to add photos of our family. So to draw a house, you start by drawing a square. And then you add a triangle on top of your square. Nice. On my house, I'm going to draw a rectangle door. Remember, a rectangle is longer on two sides and shorter on two sides. Nice. And I am going to add some circle windows to my house. And some square windows. Nice. Okay. I am also going to add a little doggy door. So in my house, I have me, and I'm going to put me right here. I'm going to draw a circle for my face, 2 dots for my eyes, a big smile, and a triangle nose. And I'm going to add some long hair so that I look good. Nice. That's me smiling out my window. My mom and dad also live in my house. So here I'm going to draw my dad. I'm going to draw a circle for his head, a smile, 2 eyes, and I'm going to give him brown hair because he has brown hair. This is my dad. My mom also lives in my house. I'm going to draw her shoulders, her neck, a circle for her head, 2 eyes, and a smile. And I'm going to give my mom big curly hair because she has big curly hair. Nice, there's my mom. Okay, who else lives in my house? I have a brother. Do you have a brother? Make sure you remember to draw your brother if you have a brother. If you don't have a brother, then don't draw your brother. So I'm going to draw my brother's head. And I also have a sister, so I'm going to draw her little face right here. My sister has long brown hair. And my brother has curly short hair. Nice. Another thing that lives in my house but is not a human is my dog. So I'm going to draw my dog's little face right here. I'm going to give him a circle face and 2 dog ears and a little oval nose and 2 eyes. There's my dog. My dog lives in the house with me, and he's kind of part of my family even though he's not a human. He's not my brother or my sister or my mom or my dad, but I still like having him at my house with my family. You might live with your grandma and grandpa, or you might live with some cousins. You just draw who you live with in your family. At the end of your picture, remember to write your name so we know whose it is. My name is Miss Conley. Miss Conley. And this is my family. So I'm going to write family. Family. This is my family. I can't wait to see your pictures of your family and where you live. Hopefully you don't live in a shoe. Goodbye.